we are required to prove that cos 2a is equal to 2 cos squared a minus 1. Right, we say that cos 2a is equal to cos a plus a, like this. So meaning that cos, we've done this one in the previous one. Let me just write that. We just proved that cos 2a is equal to cos squared a minus sine squared a. Remember this. Remember that sine squared a plus cos squared a is equal to 1 from grade 11. And then from this we can see that sine squared a is equal to 1 minus cos squared a. And then also cos squared a is equal to 1 minus sine squared a. Okay, these two are coming from this one. So now, where there's sine squared a, we can put 1 minus cos squared a. So it becomes cos 2a is equal to cos squared a minus, and then put in the bracket, 1 minus cos squared a. Right? And then remove the bracket. Cos 2a is equal to cos squared a, then dispute negative 1 there. It's going to be negative 1 plus cos squared a. Then cos squared a plus cos squared a is 2 cos squared a. So cos 2a is equal to 2 cos squared a minus 1. Okay.